Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's video is about managing your screen time better. In today's world, many people spend too much time on phones, computers, tablets, and televisions. While technology is useful, too much screen time can affect health, focus, sleep, and productivity. This lesson will help you improve listening skills, daily English vocabulary, speaking confidence, mindful living habits. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice the sentences slowly. Let's begin. Screen time means the amount of time we spend looking at screens such as mobile phones, laptops, televisions, and tablets. Technology has become an important part of modern life. People use screens for work, study, communication, shopping, entertainment, and social media. Although technology makes life easier, spending too much time on screens can create problems. Many people use their phones immediately after waking up and continue using them late at night. This habit can reduce concentration and affect mental and physical health. One common problem caused by excessive screen time is eye strain. Looking at screens for long hours can make the eyes feel tired and dry. Some people also experience headaches or neck pain because of poor posture while using devices. Too much screen time can also reduce productivity. Many people lose focus because they constantly check notifications, messages, or social media apps. Even a few minutes of distraction can interrupt important work or study sessions. Another problem is poor sleep quality. Many people use phones before sleeping, and the bright screen light affects the brain and makes it harder to fall asleep. Experts often recommend avoiding screens at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Managing screen time better does not mean completely avoiding technology. Instead, it means using technology in a balanced and healthy way. One helpful habit is setting screen time limits. Many phones now have features that show daily screen usage. People can use these tools to reduce unnecessary phone use. Another useful habit is taking short breaks while using screens. Looking away from the screen every 20 or 30 minutes helps relax the eyes and reduce stress. Spending time on offline activities is also important. Reading books, exercising, walking, talking with family, or learning new skills can reduce dependence on screens. Many people also practice digital detox activities. A digital detox means spending some time away from phones and social media to relax the mind and focus on real-life experiences. Mindful living means paying attention to your habits and making healthy choices. For example, instead of checking your phone during meals, you can enjoy conversations with family and friends. Another good habit is turning off unnecessary notifications. Constant notifications can distract the mind and reduce concentration. Keeping the phone away while studying or working can improve focus and productivity. Using screens for educational purposes can be positive. Watching learning videos, listening to podcasts, or improving skills online can be useful and productive. The key is balance and mindful usage. Parents also try to manage children's screen time because too much screen exposure can affect learning, sleep, and physical activity. Outdoor games, reading, and creative hobbies are healthy alternatives. Simple habits can create big improvements over time. For example, backhand index pointing right, keeping the phone away before sleeping. Backhand index pointing right, taking regular breaks. Backhand index pointing right, spending more time outdoors. Backhand index pointing right, reading books instead of scrolling social media. Backhand index pointing right, talking with people face to face. These small habits improve both mental and physical health. Learning English through modern topics like screen time management is useful because these conversations are common in daily life today. Native speakers often discuss productivity, technology, digital habits, and mindful living. The more you practice listening to real-world English topics, the more natural your vocabulary and speaking become. Remember, improvement happens slowly. You do not need to change everything in one day. Small daily changes create better habits and a healthier lifestyle. In the end, technology is a powerful tool, but balance is important. Managing screen time wisely can improve focus, sleep, relationships, and overall happiness. Speaking practice. Now let's practice some useful sentences together. I spend too much time on my phone. I want to reduce screen time. Taking breaks helps my eyes relax. I avoid using my phone before sleeping. Mindful living improves focus and happiness. Small habits create positive change. Excellent. Great job. Today, you practiced slow English listening about managing screen time. Listen again for better understanding. Repeat the sentences slowly. Practice mindful habits in daily life. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Like the video. Comment, less screen time. Subscribe to Wordivo English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.